Hi everyone! This is the face behind Wimzywips. I decided this would be a great time to introduce myself. I'm Elna, I live in Finland and I'm a knitter. Most important things first. This sweater that I'm wearing. This pattern is from Anvenzel called Clint Classic, and what I've done, a little change, I've moved these raglan lines a bit, but otherwise it's per pattern and I love it. If we don't take into account the half mittens that I knit when I was in elementary school, then the first thing that I've knitted is actually socks for my mom. I just decided that I wanted to do it, and everyone was questioning why I'm spending so much time. But yeah, I decided that that would be a good thing to do and also a good way to procrastinate. This was maybe like 5-6 years ago now. From there on, I've been kinda knitting. 2022, I knitted my first sweater, which was this one, and it includes a lot of mistakes and a lot of learning. After that, I've been on this road, so there's no turning back anymore. What I'm planning to knit next is Petite Knits Friday Slipover for my sister. She wanted this amazing magenta color. Definitely not my color, but I think it suits her. I'm actually working my first own pattern that will be very basic raglan sweater, and I'm trying to make the instructions as beginner friendly as possible. What I'm planning to do with this YouTube is tutorials for beginners, but also more advanced tutorials. And then I would like to do this kind of vlogs where I show more of me and my journey as a knitter. So if you're interested in that type of content, please stay tuned because more will be coming. I wanted to also explain a little bit my knitting name, which is Wimzywips. That comes from the fact that I've been pretty whimsy knitter. My friends and families are known me to be very not able to concentrate only one work at a time. If they request if I could knit something to them, they can be sure that it takes time because it's hard for me to focus only one work at a time. So I'm very excited when I start a new project. I want the yarn now and I want to begin now. It's so terrible if I need to wait. The excitedness of starting a new project gets down, and then I found something else that I feel like that this would be really nice to knit and wear. Then I need to go again and buy new yarn for that. I'll usually find how I can use the yarn for another project if I'm not going to finish the other one. The problem is that I think that I'm going to finish everything, even though I haven't worked on them for months or even years in some cases. That's where my name comes from. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.